Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to attach documents to Gmail. To begin, open your Gmail and either compose a new email or reply to an existing conversation. Look for the paperclip icon, which is universally recognized as the attachment symbol, located at the bottom of your email compose window. Clicking this icon will immediately open a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to browse for your desired documents and files. This is the first step to sharing your important information. Once your File Explorer is open, you will need to navigate through your computer's folders to find the document or documents you wish to attach. You can select a single file by clicking it, or hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac to select multiple files. After making your selections, click the Open or Choose button to initiate the upload. Remember, Gmail typically allows attachments up to 25 megabytes. For files already stored in the cloud, Gmail offers seamless integration with Google Drive. Instead of the paperclip, look for the Google Drive icon, usually positioned right beside it. Clicking this will open your Drive, allowing you to select files directly from your cloud storage. You then have the option to send them as a Google Drive link, which is great for larger files, or as a traditional attachment. Before hitting send, always take a moment to review your email. Double-check that all the documents you intended to attach are present and correctly uploaded. If you've included Google Drive links, it's crucial to confirm that your recipients have the necessary viewing or editing permissions. Once everything looks perfect and your message is complete, simply click the Send button to deliver your email.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.